The tech world has officially been set ablaze following the highly anticipated Apple Keynote on March 11, 2026. This massive launch event carried an electric atmosphere right from the start, driven by sleek, cryptic invite graphics that had the entire community speculating for weeks. As the digital countdown clock ticked closer to zero, millions of viewers tuned in globally, completely soaking in the premium release vibe that only Apple can generate. The moment the presentation wrapped up and the executives walked off stage, the Apple Store app flipped its status, sending pre-orders live instantly. A frantic rush ensued as tech enthusiasts scrambled to lock in their shipping dates before delivery windows began slipping into late spring. Within days, the first wave of retail deliveries hit doorsteps worldwide, immediately sparking an absolute tidal wave of high-energy unboxing videos, authentic first-look reactions, and massive crowds gathering for storefront celebrations that perfectly captured the pure, chaotic energy of a major hardware launch day. But once the initial hype settled, the true star of the show took center stage, the powerhouse M5 Pro chip. Stunning architectural macro shots showcased during the keynote revealed a hyperdense, incredibly intricate silicon layout built on an advanced next-generation node. This new architecture introduces a monstrous 18-core CPU that comfortably delivers a massive 30% speed increase over the already capable M4 family. Graphics performance sees an even bigger generational leap, with a completely reworked GPU architecture boasting an incredible 50% performance boost that effortlessly handles real-time ray tracing. Built explicitly for the next frontier of on-device intelligence, the M5 Pro features a massively upgraded neural engine capable of processing complex AI models up to 4 times faster than its predecessor. In real-world scenarios, this raw power translates to flawless, high frame-rate gaming at maximum settings, sustained peak performance thanks to highly optimized thermal management under heavy, continuous rendering cycles, and a dream environment for software developers who can now compile massive, multi-layered codebases without a single hint of thermal throttling or system slowdown. To fully back up this explosive processing power and prevent any potential system bottlenecks, Apple completely overhauled the underlying data and memory infrastructure. The M5 Pro introduces configurations featuring up to 64 gigabytes of unified memory running on a blistering, ultra-wide 307 gigabytes per second bandwidth, ensuring the CPU and GPU have instantaneous access to assets. Storage performance sees an equally dramatic, history-making upgrade, with the 1TB and 2TB high-tier SSD configurations achieving jaw-dropping read and write speeds of up to 14.5 gigabytes per second, which effectively doubles the storage throughput seen in the previous generation. Initial hardware teardown videos have already highlighted the engineering genius behind this machine, revealing an incredibly tight, microscopic integration of the components directly onto the logic board. These elements work in perfect tandem to eliminate latency, giving creative professionals a seamless environment for heavy, multi-stream multitasking, near-instantaneous file transfers of massive 8K video projects, and zero-latency caching for the most demanding, production-grade creative workflows imaginable.